Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up your Toyota Highlander. Before you begin, always ensure your vehicle is on a level, firm surface. Engage the parking brake and block the wheels that will remain on the ground. It's crucial to locate the correct jack points specified in your owner's manual for safety and to prevent damage. Proper preparation is key to a successful and safe lift. To lift the front of your Highlander, carefully position your floor jack under the front cross member, which is a strong central point. Slowly raise the vehicle until the tire is clear of the ground. Once lifted, place sturdy jack stands securely under the frame rails, near the front wheels. Ensure the vehicle is stable on the stands before working underneath. Safety first, always. For the rear of your Toyota Highlander, place the jack under the rear differential if it's a four-wheel drive model, or under a designated frame jacking point. Lift the vehicle gradually and evenly, watching for any instability. After reaching the desired height, position your jack stands under the strong points of the rear frame. Double-check that the vehicle is firmly supported before proceeding. When you are ready to lower your Highlander, first remove any tools or equipment from underneath. Carefully raise the vehicle slightly with the jack to relieve pressure, then remove the jack stands. Slowly and steadily lower the vehicle until it rests completely on its wheels. Remember to check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Regular maintenance ensures your vehicle remains in top condition.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.